Hi, good day everyone. Okay, all of you can hear me? Can hear my voice? Okay, so let me introduce myself first. I'm Kalidasan, the founder of Cisco Sendirian Berhad. And with me, Mr. Dave, Techathon project coordinator. So, welcome to the Techathon Challenge 2024. We are excited to have you join us for this incredible journey of innovation, creativity, and technology. Get ready to showcase your skills, learn new things, and connect with the bright minds from across Malaysia. So, we are from Cisco. We like to say best of luck to all the participants, and let's make this unforgettable experience. Okay, today we're going to have the Techathon challenge briefing. Okay, later you have any questions, you can post in your comment box. So me and my team are ready to answer all of your questions. If you miss this live, you can able to watch again in our YouTube channel. So just subscribe our YouTube channel, Cisco Technology. You can see a lot of videos there. Then also you can watch again this video anytime, anywhere. Okay, let me start about the introduction of this Techathon challenge. This competition is a STEM-based organized for school students by Cisco Sendirian Berhad. The competition will serve as a platform to identify ICT talents and STEM skills among the school students. The main vision competition will serve as platform to identify ICT talents and STEM skills among school students. Our mission is to establish and organize a drone and soccer robotics competition at the state and national level for school students. Okay, these are our partners and collaborators for these competitions. So each ourselves, Cisco Sendirian Berhad as organizer. So Cisco is a leading robotic academy in Malaysia. So established in 2012 with 12 years experience in the STEM field. The academy has been organizing a Techathon challenge since 2018 and has extensive experience in managing competitions. So then I meet our partners, Malaysian Digital Economic Corporation is a government agency under MDEC that partner with the Cisco for My Digital Maker movement, has collaborated on the Techathon Challenge 2024 to reach and benefit students across Malaysia. International Technology Engineering Education Association. This is our international STEM association based on the USA. It's working closely with the Cisco Academy to evaluate and collaborate in technology. So this collaboration extends to Techathon Challenge, providing ideas, knowledge for the international levels. Last but not least, our Ministry of Education. The competition is approved by Ministry of Education, allowing students to be entitled for PHSK marks. It's also approved by State Education Department, enabling students to participate at the national level and state level. Okay, so let me explain about the general rules. This competition open to primary and secondary school students in Malaysia aged 7 to 18 years. It's a free competition to all of participants. The competition will be conducted at the state and zonal level, followed by the national level. The top 10 winners in each category will qualify for the national level. State level qualifier will be selected based on the average number of participants. Participation certificates will be provided for state level participants, while achievement certificates and medals will be rewarded to the winners. These are competition categories. We have three categories here. coding challenge. It's for 7 years to 9 years students, conducted online with the submission through the Google form. Top selected project will be invited to the state level event. Medal and certificate awarded at the state level event. Top state level participant qualify for national level live coding event. So this is a coding challenge. Okay, it's an online submission. Those who are qualified for the state level, we will invited to giving the medal ceremony, give the medal in the state level competition. Second is drone challenge. Drone challenge is for the 10 years to 12 years and another category 13 years to 18 years. It's a physical event where the student participate and compete at the state level first. Student must have own drone kit and laptop to participate. And medal and certificate will be awarded at the state level event. Top state level participant will be qualified for the national level drone challenge. Third is soccer challenge. Third, soccer challenge, physical event where students participate and compete at the state level first. Student must have own DIY robot. Okay, later I will explain what's a DIY robot. To participate this soccer challenge, medal and certificate will be awarded at the state level event. Top state level participant will qualify for the national soccer challenge. Okay, the state level events is tentatively scheduled as a national level. It's a 27 November. It's a tentatively scheduled like that in Selangor, subject to change if necessary. Okay, any updates or changes will be announced accordingly. Okay, here is the zonal and state level events. Okay, in the Kedah and Penang, we conducted together on 22nd October. Okay, the venue is Chalem Park Hall, Penang. Para state level will be conducted on 11 November, but venue to be announced later. Johor state level, 24th October. Venue is STKT Jalan Yayawal Hall. There's a Tamil school hall there. Selangor, Wilayah Melaka and Negeri Sembilan. It's a 16 November. Venue to be announced later. Okay. So any message and any update we will share in the WhatsApp group. So parents or students, please stay at the WhatsApp group for the further update. Okay, how to register? Okay, so registration deadline is 15 October. Okay, we still have time to register. However, if we reach a certain limit in categories with high demand, registration for those categories will be closed early. Okay, student. So we are currently we have around 450 registrations actually. So if any category is very high demand, is already reached a maximum, so we will close early. So better register as soon as possible. Okay. So here is a 4 links here. Okay. So first link is the registration link. Once you click the registration link, you will access to other related links. Okay. So other related links, you can able to click this link. You can able to go to the access the JPN and KPN approval. Okay. Currently we have a few JPN approval. Okay. And we will update time to time the further JPN approval by the states. Okay. So another link is the rules and regulations. Okay. So whatever I explained here, I will already upload the rules and regulation in the link. You can anytime you go and download and you can view the rules and regulations. And final is coding challenge submission. So as I mentioned before, the coding challenge you must submit by Google form. This is a link. But for the drones and the soccer challenge, you must attend the physical event. Okay. So please take note. The coding challenge, okay, the 7 to 9 years, whoever participate in the coding challenge, 7 to 9 years, you have to submit your project and coding in the coding challenge ring. Okay, so once you selected, only we will call to the state event to medal and certification ceremony. Okay, others, soccer and the drums, you must attend the physical event. Okay. Okay, let me explain the rules and regulation about the coding challenge. Okay, so students, please take notes. This is for students 7 to 9 years primary schools. Okay, please take note. This is for you. Okay, this coding challenge open only to primary schools student age 7 to 9 years. Okay, it's an individual participation. Registration is free. Okay, actually it's a completely free. Okay, participant must use the Scratch 3.0 applications. Okay, so students, please take note. Participant must use the Scratch 3.0 application. Okay, okay. So what I supposed to create? Okay, so the participants, student, you must create the animation, games, or story related to the theme. Okay, what are the theme that? Okay, the theme is our SDG goal, good health and well-being. Okay, student, you after this you can go and Google it and say what is the SDG, good health and well-being. Then you have to create the animation, games, or stories related to this theme. Okay, and don't worry, student. If you're new for the Scratch, maybe if you don't have any ideas, okay, via our site, we will provide 2 basic online training for students. Okay, the date will be shared in the group later. Okay, you don't worry, student. We will give a guidance for you how to use the Scratch and also how to focus in the theme, how to create the game. Okay, and some of the basic training. So that's why parents and students, you must follow the group and see what are the new updates. Then only you can sit in our online training. If you engage with the other activities, don't worry, the YouTube link still there. You can access anytime. Okay, okay. And then what's the project? When is the project submission deadline? Okay, you must submit the project. Okay, so October, actually the submission is a little bit is one. Later I will update the new thing. Project submission is October 31st actually, but later we will update the new submission deadline. Okay, because for the Penang and also for the other state, before October 31st you must submit. Okay, later I will update for you the new deadline. Okay, and also I already shared to you project submission link. If you click now, the link is still disabled. Okay, but after this briefing, I will open the briefing. If you completed your game, so you can upload right now. Okay, okay, now we move to the next slide. Okay, so what I supposed to do once you create the animation or story, you must take the video recording not exceeding 7 minutes. Okay, not exceeding 7 minutes. It can be 1 minute, it can be 3 minutes, but not exceeding the 7 minutes. Okay, then the video presentation must explain the production process and functionality of the project in detail. Okay, so it's a not don't have any rules to what we call the content of presentation, but from judges side we expect so you have to deliver your complete, okay, your coding, your presentation as best you can. Okay, and also the video format you can use either 1020 full HD or 720 pixel. Okay, the video recording must be done in landscape format. Okay, please take note, cannot be portrait format. Okay, can be must be in the landscape format. Okay, you must You must turn your turn your phone to the landscape format to take the video. Okay. Participant may present either Malay or English. Okay, you can able to use the Malay language or English language. Present your presentation. It's a won't affect your marks. Either you present in Malay or English. As long as a good presentation is enough for us to judge you. Okay. Video must be uploaded to YouTube and YouTube link should be submitted. Okay. So once you click the form, you can see that the place for the YouTube link. Okay. And also coding file must be uploaded to the Google Drive. Okay. And then you must upload your coding file in the Google Drive and paste the Google Drive link should be submitted. Okay. And the YouTube link and coding link must be accessible. Okay. That means student, you must change the permission to the anyone with the link to be access your coding and YouTube link. Okay. We expect all the student is a present and submit your genuine your output. Okay, if you find out any output is copy from the other sources, we will disqualify. Okay, and judges decision are final and no complaint will be entertained. Okay, what's the criteria? Okay, what's the criteria for team? 25 marks. Coding complexity, that means how tough you coding you can handle that. Okay, how complexity your coding. Okay, so it's a 25 marks. Creativity, what's your creativity, is a 25 marks. And presentation is a 25 marks. Total is 100 marks. Okay, student, this one about the coding challenge 7 to 9 years. Later at the final Q&A section, you can ask any question. Now I move to the another category. Okay, so this is the latest what we call is a new technology. Okay, coming right now. It's a very famous now. Is a lot of students exciting. What kind of category going to present now? Okay, so this is a drone challenge. Okay, it's a drone challenge. So it's an individual participation. It's open only to primary school student aged to 10 to 18 years. Okay. Student, please take note. It's a 10 to 18 years. Okay. Because why? We have drawn is we need to be cautious when we can able to manage the drone. That's why we open to the 10 to 18 years old student only. Okay. Student must have their own drone. Okay, then drone example light wing or DJI Tello. Later I will explain where can get the drone, where what kind of a drone. Later I will explain. Okay, this category we going to evaluate. Okay, two types. Okay, student, please take note. It's a physical event. Okay, two types. One is remote control drone challenge. That means participant will manually navigate through a obstacle. Okay, that means student have to control by the control drawn by controller. Okay, then you have to use right and left arrow and turn arrow, something like that. You have to move all of obstacle and come back to the starting point. Okay, that's the first evaluation method. Okay, second is autonomous drone challenge. Yes, this is the toughest one. Okay, so you will be some curious, some what we call nervous. What's going to happen in autonomous drone challenge, right? Okay, participant will code and program their drones to autonomously navigate through the same obstacle course without any manual intervention. Okay, what is that? That means your drone, you must coding, then have to fly autonomously. Okay, so here you must understand that your drone must be the coding drone. You cannot going to get the simple drone like a TikTok drone, like a Shopee drone. Then you have to find out the coding drone. Okay, later I will share the picture of the coding drone. Okay, so you see the remote control challenge is a 30% of the total score. Okay, the autonomous drone challenge is a 70%. Okay, So now a lot of our Ministry of Education already conducted the drone challenge using this kind of a drone. Okay, it's a very good potential for you to bring up yourself to the drone field. Okay, use this opportunity. Okay, so to get install the highest technology. Okay, skills. Okay, okay. So what we're going to do in the remote control drone challenge? Okay, round structure. First is we giving a testing round. Okay, once you enter the game field, we're giving you the testing round. First round is a testing round. Okay, you can play with the drone. You can move the drone. You can test the all the obstacles within the 3 minutes. We give in the 3 minutes. You can attempt. Okay, how many times you attempt? You just attempt only. Okay, okay. After attempt, okay, after the testing, you have to go to the attempt. Attempt is one time only. Okay, so you cannot be a second time or third time. Must be one time. We give a time. Okay, once you start the drone, okay, we take the time. So we see that how fast you can drone from start, avoid all the obstacle, have to come to the end point. Okay, we take note the your flying time. Okay, that's a 30 percentage. Okay, the task sequence is take off from the designated area, fly through all the designated gates, land properly, and take off in finish area. Okay, that's your task for the 30 percentage. It's a 30 percentage. You can able to you must control the drone by the remote control. Okay, criteria like this. Okay, the total score 30 percentage. Point will be awarded based on the successful completion of task. If no drone complete the task, scoring will based on the highest number or checkpoint pass. Okay, maybe you cannot complete the task. Maybe take off, you're already done. You only can able to left the 4 gates only. So that means you can get 5 points. The 4 gates mean you can get 16 points. Then landing no marks. Okay. Then we take, okay, if okay, 2 students in same points. Okay, maybe 2 students in the same points. We see the flying time. Okay, who achieve the shortest flying time, that he will be a winner. Okay, the top ranking of student will be qualified for the national level. Okay, so please take note. For any question you can ask at the end of the session. Okay, now we move to the autonomous round drone challenge. Say this is a 70 percentage. Okay, okay. The competition will consist with the 3 rounds. Okay, 3 rounds. First round is coding trial round. Okay, participants are given 10 minutes to adjust their drone and prepare for the task. Okay, we give 10 minutes for you. You can test your coding. You can test your coding. You can what you call, you can manage. You adjust your drone, adjust your coding. Okay, we can do the adjustment. Okay, second and third round, we given 3 minutes to complete the task with unlimited attempt. Okay, we give 3 minutes. Okay, you can do unlimited attempt as long the drone finish the challenge. Okay, then the third round. Okay, you can attempt a third round. So second and third round, which one is the best? We take as a score there. Okay, so the best attempt from the 2 judgment round will be used for the final scoring. Okay, within this attempt, you can edit your coding. Okay, within 2 attempt 2 and within the attempt 3, they got time to they got duration, right, for the attempt 2 to the attempt 3, right? You're able to amend your coding. Okay, okay. The drone must take off autonomously from the designated area, navigate autonomously through all the designed gate, land autonomously in the takeoff and finish area. Okay. Okay. Additional rules: participants must raise their hands and seek permission from the referee in the case of mid-air collision or technical issue before resuming the attempt. Okay. and participants are responsible for maintaining and operating their drone and ensuring their proper coding. Okay, in case the drone is halfway, it's a hit anything, or maybe it's a collapse, maybe it's a fall down, you must raise hand before you enter the obstacle area. Okay, so without ask the referee permission, you cannot simply enter in the obstacle area. Okay, later I will show the diagram of the obstacle. Okay, the picture of the obstacle. Disqualification. Okay, what are the reason? Okay, for disqualification is flying out of bounds or exceeding the maximum sling height. If drone gonna hit the sling or gonna hit the people, it's automatically disqualified. Okay, maybe the second attempt is disqualified, is still have third attempt to your test your drawn. Okay, that means the particular round only you disqualify. The next is still can able to attempt. Okay, don't worry. If both attempt is happen like this, of course, right, you will disqualify. Okay, damaging the game field, equipment or another participant drowns, not following the instruction of the referee. Okay, the three main things is reason for disqualification. Okay, please take note. Okay, the performance in this round count for 70% of total score. Okay, the points will be awarded based on the successful completion of the task. Participants can modify their code within attempt to improve the performance. The best attempt will be used for final scoring. Okay, take off 10 marks, 5 gates 50 marks, landing is 10 marks, total 70 marks. We will count the manual challenge and auto challenge together, and plus we will get identify the winners. If both or three students same mark, we will see the flying time. Okay. Okay, this is a sample of the map. Okay, this is sample of the map. Okay, so the left side is a start. The drawn have to navigate, enter in the obstacle round, and come out with the finishing area. Okay, this is a measurement I give. So maybe this one helps you to code your drone to find out the distance of the obstacle. Okay, but don't worry, the time to time the tips, okay, the drone tips, where you have to buy drone, okay, how to manage the drone, the tips we can share in the WhatsApp group. Okay, it will help you to give a potential to win in this competition. So that's why stay at the group and always looking for the messages we share in the group. Okay, so the moment you're waiting for. Okay, so participant may use any programmable drone such as Lightbee, DJI Tello, other similar models. Okay, the drone must be capable of both remote control and autonomous operation. The drone must not exceed, okay, the 350 millimeter height, width, and no extension are allowed. Okay, the drone, including power sources and other parts, must not exceed 1.5 kg. The drone can be programmed to perform autonomous tasks. The program can be implemented using a computer, laptop, Android, iPhone, or iPad device. Okay, this is a drone, as I know, can be a programmable. Okay, can be programmable drone. Okay, the Lightbee wing, the DJI Tello. So I heard DJI Tello no more in the production. If anyone sell in the second hand, maybe you got in a Shopee, you're able to get the DJI Tello. But before you buy, please make sure you check carefully. Okay, and Lightbee is another drone. Okay, be able to do the programming in the scratch. Okay, in the scratch, and also can able to do manual piloting. Okay, manual pilot. Okay, driver. Okay, manual pilot mode for the drone driving. Okay, so Where can buy? You can check the Shopee. Either we are here to help you to find out the ROM. You just text me. Okay, don't try to call us because we are very traffic heavy calls attending sometime. Okay, you message us from where and what you help you want to do. You want expect from us. So just message us. We can find out for you the solution. So we can help you as much we can. Okay, you can see the Shopee Light B. You can text there. Okay, maybe we are the partners for that. Maybe can get the better prices for you. Okay, just contact us for any guidance. Okay. Okay, so that's all about the drone. So now we move to the soccer challenge. Okay, soccer challenge is now we have around 250 participants. Okay, so our highest demands categories actually this one, but okay, but this is something new for you. Okay. Okay. Normally you heard about the soccer challenge. We get the any commercial robot. We just use the remote control and we fight the ball, fight for the balls, right? But this one is totally different. Okay. This one is a totally different. We want encourage a student build their own soccer robot. Okay. We are do some research and development output. We set up one rules of limitations here to ask our student to create their own robot. Okay, that means if you're capable, your talent, how fast you can, how power you can build your own robot. Okay, okay, it's an individual participation. Okay, student must have own soccer robot. Each age category 10 to 18 years. Okay, 10 to 12 years on category primary category, and 13 to 18 years another secondary category. Okay, the size of robot is 20 cm, 20 cm, 20 cm. Okay, but height we here we want to take out because height is unlimited. The length and width must be controlled 20 cm and 20 cm. Okay, that means you need to find out the robot chassis within the 20 cm. Okay, later I will show. Okay, this is one of the model for 20 cm. There's a flight there, got picture, right? Okay, the robot use this competition must be DIY, do it yourself robot. Okay, participants are not allowed to use any commercialized available robot. You can't have to use any commercial available robot. If you check that robot is not built by you, we direct disqualify. Okay, the robot must build by yourself. Okay, because this competition for students, so we expect all the students have to give a full effort. Okay, if you can get guide from any trainer, but the robot must be the full DIY. Okay, okay. So each robot weight, including the battery, must not exceed 1.5 kg. Each robot must fully independent with their own power supply and self-contained system. Only wireless communication is allowed for all interaction between the controller and the robot. That means you must create your own DIY robot and you must control the robot by wireless communication. That means you example you can communicate with the Bluetooth and your phone. Then you can communicate with the remote control, wireless remote control, because you want to fight, you want to play soccer, right? So that's why you have to control the robot wirelessly. Then you have to play the soccer. Okay, okay, and then the robot can be a square, rectangular, or circular. Design is a doesn't matter. It's not big deal. Okay, doesn't matter. You can be any shape of the robot, but within the size limit. Okay, it must not damage the game field. That means the robot cannot use any sharp material like a knife. Okay, any sharpened material like a blade. Okay, cannot use. If spoil the map, is automatically disqualified. We have a judges there to check your robot before you enter in the game field. Okay, flying robot are not allowed. Okay, you cannot use any flying robot, bird robot. Okay, kung fu panda robot. All you cannot use that. Okay. Then the robot must be wirelessly controlled, and autonomous or wired operation is prohibited. That means you cannot use the wired control because the robot is connected with the wires is cannot. Then you can use the wireless control is acceptable. Okay, the remote control must be secure with a changeable frequency to avoid the interference. That means maybe you're using the Bluetooth module and another member of using Bluetooth module. Make sure your Bluetooth module is a different name. You're able to connect your own robot. You not interfere to connect the other Bluetooth module robot. Okay, make sure it's your identify your own name for your Bluetooth module, other your controller. Okay, robot must not deliberately push your opponents. Your intent is push the ball, not push the opponent's robot. You must push the robot to score the goal. Okay. Team must ensure secure wireless control to prevent the interferencing or hacking. Okay, you cannot use any wireless control to hack the opponent robot. Okay, so the organizer is not responsible for any issue. If a robot broken, if anything happen, our side organizer is never responsible. Okay, so build your robot at your own risk. Okay, complete your robot at your own risk. Okay, no extruding parts or active mechanism to trap the ball are allowed. Okay, something like you cannot fix any sensor to target the ball. Okay, the robot 100% controlled by yourself. Okay, you cannot put any sensor to detect the robot. Okay, detect the ball. Okay, the front of robot must be flat and made of non-sticky, non-soft material. Okay, that means you cannot the what you call the front of the robot. You cannot like a what we call like a shape L shape. Okay, you have to like a flat only. Okay, you cannot hold the robot like a hand. Okay, the front of the robot it must be flat. Okay, you cannot make a like a L shape, something like a hand to hold the robot long. Okay, it's a rules we set that because we don't want to hold the robot, hold the ball, and what we call score the goals. Okay, so it's a fair and square for everyone. To robot front it must be flat. Okay, competition and scoring. Okay, so do you all very know? You all know about the soccer game, soccer right football. Okay, the game lasts for 4 minutes. Okay, total game is 4 minutes. Split to 2 minutes without the break. Okay, 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the players must change the place. Okay, time continues during the interruption. That means 2 minutes this side, another 2 minutes you have to change the place. Okay, team with the no function robot at the start will be disqualified. Okay, once you start robot no function means we give us a few seconds, you must disqualify. The robot is malfunction. Okay, participant must raise hand and get approval before any action. In case your robot tire is stuck, anything you want to repair that, you can raise up your hand. Once referee gives signal, you can fix your tire. Okay, we give flexible for that time. Okay, if the ball goes out of the fence or gets stuck, the referee will place the ball at the center point. If a ball is stuck at the corner, maybe the robot is stuck, the referee have a power to move the robot or move the ball at the center or nearest place. Okay, it depends on the referee. At the beginning of each half, after a goal has been scored, the ball will be placed at the center point. The first start is we have to put the center point like a normal soccer. Okay, the place center point we put the ball when start or someone score the goal. Okay, teams are allowed to position their robot freely within their own site or area. When start, you have a freedom to put your robot anywhere within your area. Okay, the game starts with the whistle blow from the referee, after which all robot may move freely. Okay, once you heard the whistle, listen the whistle sound, then only you have to move the your robot. At half time, team will switch the side. Okay, after 2 minutes, you will switch the side. If the ball stuck for more than 3 seconds, the referee allowed to move the from the position to nearest free area. Okay, just now I mentioned right. If any robot ball stuck at the corner side, anything, referee can move at the nearest area. Okay. Before performing any action, participant must raise their hands to get approval from the referee. Cannot simply go to the game field and take your robot. You must raise hand before get the referee approval. Okay. I think you're all very clear on this. Okay. The goal is awarded when the entire passes over the goal line. Okay. We don't use any VR technology here. When ball is entire ball must be cross over the goal line, then we are assume as a goal. The winner of the game is decided based on the number of goals scored. It's a very transparent. Okay, so who is the winner? The most number of goals scorer is a winner. In the event of tie after second half, the winner will be decided through penalty kicks. Okay, that's the one interesting here. We are following the FIFA rules here. Okay, so during the penalty kick, on robot is required to hit the ball only and from the center point into a goal. Okay, so the opponent robot will be removed from the field during this process. Okay, we have a penalty kick, but no goalkeeper. The one robot is a goalkeeper, one robot is a attacker. Okay, the on-man show there. Okay, so disqualification. Okay, disqualification is causing or attempting to damage the game field, the equipment on the field of the opponent robot. That means just now I mentioned if you use any sharpened objects or blades, you will be disqualified. Okay. Performing any act against the spirit of the fair play and friendship between participating team. Okay. So falling to the follow instruction is warning for the referee. Okay. Referee, if you never follow any rules, referee will give warning for you. If warning is more than a few warning, referee is able to disqualify you from this game. Okay, non-compliance with the rules of the dimension of the robot will be disqualified. You must follow all the rules, otherwise you will be disqualified. But don't worry, we are here to update time to time whatever your queries and also the update. Okay, the better tips for you to give a potential to you to win in the competition. Okay, so this is a sample of DIY soccer robot samples. Okay, we suggest students use a 2WD round chassis to build their DIY soccer robot. Okay, these chassis you're able to get in the Shopee, Lazada. Okay, so student can control the robot using a Bluetooth module via phone or any remote control. Okay, so the robot must have only two motors. You cannot use more than two motors. The type of motor is depend on the participant. Okay, the power of the motor, the torque of the motor, the speed of the motor, it depends on the participant. But the rules is must have two motor. You cannot be more than two motor. Okay, you can use any type of the power motor capable. Okay, you may use the N20 motor, you can use the DC motor, you can use a stepper motor, but must be two motor only. Okay, we encourage the participant to build their own soccer robot. Okay, the main motive is we encourage our student have to build their own robot. Okay, so we feel you are the great to build the own robot and participate in the soccer game is something like give a more what we call create more wow factor and more confident to you. Okay, to win this competition. So, okay, that's our main focus here. We don't want to use any commercial robot. We want our student have to create their own robot. Okay. we will we will have a simple two online session training for student. Okay, don't worry, we have a simple online training for you to guide you every time or anytime. Okay, don't worry. Okay, where we can buy, you can check the Shopee, you can check anywhere. Otherwise, you can contact us. We will give the what we call the robot guidance for you. Okay, we can give, we can back and buy. Okay, either we can help to buy. Okay, don't worry, our focus is we want to develop our student, okay, to the advanced skills like a drone, robots. Okay, okay, so you're able to control your robot with the phone also can, remote control also can. Okay, it depends on your choice. Okay, depends on your choice. Okay, okay, that's all from me. So thank you for your attention. Now I open to the Q&A section. So I like to thanks here to all of our participants and parents, teachers, and also our collaborators, MDAC, International Technology Association, My Digital Maker Movement, and also Kementerian Pendidikan Malaysia and all of the GPN nationwide were giving a support to us to conduct, to organize this Techathon Challenge 2024. Okay, now we move to the Q&A section. Okay, let me let me show the comments here. What are the questions? Okay, okay. So I try to answer as much I can. Okay. Okay, as much I can. Okay, let me show the question. Okay. Can our guardian to help? Okay, so we have a question. Can our guardian to help us? Yeah, of course, sure. Guardian or trainer or teacher can help to student to create the robot, but within the rules. Okay, within the rules we stated there. Okay, okay. Then for robot. Okay, second question. For robot soccer, is it okay to make a robot? Okay, can sir. The 3D printer can. Okay, 3D printer we can able to create the robot within the what we call within our measurement. Okay, the set there. Sumo robot. Okay, sumo robot allow for soccer. Okay, the sumo robot. Okay, as I told before, within the what we call within the scale, okay, 20 cm, 20 cm, the sumo robot is allowed. But okay, so check the rule carefully. What we call the follow our rules. If we able to use your, you can use the sumo robot. Okay, you can use the sumo robot, but within the scale. Okay, within the scale actually. Can use emotion drawn. Sir, can I use emotion drawn? Emotion drawn. I'm not sure emotion drawn is able to do coding or not. So far, I know the coding drawn, like B, Tello. Another one is hula drawn. Okay, hula. I think the three kind of drawn can do the coding. Unless you can any blend of the coding. So unless you can able to do the coding, the drawn able to do coding is fly autonomously. Okay, so where can buy the Bluetooth module? Okay, Bluetooth module you can buy at the Shopee can, any electronic shop can. Okay, so also we can you can contact us. We also can provide the Bluetooth module. Question for coding challenge. Number one, participant need their own YouTube channel or parents account can use. Any specific person in charge coding challenge, we can contact to clear out. Okay, so for the video submission, you can use any account. Okay, either we can access the link enough. Okay, so you can use the parents account also can, friends account also can, as long we can access the link enough. Okay, you want to. Okay, another question. Sir, let's say if I want to take the soccer challenge, who will set the team for me? Okay, it's a not a team, it's an individual. Okay, soccer challenge is an individual. Okay, not a team. Okay, the opponent team will be chosen by the organizer. Okay, the opponent team will choose by organizer. Okay, maybe the draw method. Okay. Okay, where can buy? We can buy in the Shopee. Okay, any of the place. Any guidance, okay, for 7 to 9 years category. Okay, yes, we will guide in the by the online. Okay, same like this, we will guide the basic of the scratch by the online. So please make sure you follow and check all the message we share after this. So only the members can join the competition or anyone can join. Okay, anyone can join. It's open to all the student, SJKT, SJKC, SMK, SK, okay, international school. We open to all Malaysian students, 7 to 18 years. Okay. Is this more? Yes, if sumo robot is modified for soccer, is it allowed? Yes, of course allowed. So as I mentioned before, it must built by DIY robot, but built by students. Okay. So we must buy the drone for, yes, of course, we must have our own drone, okay, to participate in the drone challenge. So can you help? Yes, of course. You text to us. We can help you to guide you to buy the or help you to do the soccer robot. So do Cisco sell drone? Sell? Okay, yes, okay. Cisco is actually we can help you to buy. Okay, we can help you to buy the drone. We can channel you to which are the best drone and also make it your what we call we can able to reduce the price from the drone manufacturer. Okay, we have a direct contact there. We can able to help you to give a better price and better training for you. Okay, can use voice assist. Yes. Okay, so I will. Okay, I will. I think already the repeated question for soccer robot can use. Of course, soccer robot. Of course, you must use the servo motor to spin your tire, right? Okay. Can. Okay, S2S drone can use. I think S2S drone cannot use. Okay, because it cannot do any coding. Okay, S2S only we can control in the manually by the remote control. Okay. So will you give a spare part for? No, we never give any spare part for the compression time. Okay, so you have to. It's your own responsibility. If any parts are damaged, you must replace that. Okay. Okay. So I think all of the question I already answered. Okay. If any question, okay, I will share. Okay, I will share. Wait, I will share the contact here. Okay, so I'll share the contact. Okay, you can contact this number or you can message this number to get further detail. Okay, so okay, okay. So I think that's all from me. If you have any questions, okay, you can message us. So can we rent the robot from someone else? Okay, the last question says, can we share the drone? Okay, cannot. Okay, the competition time, you cannot share the drones. Okay, you cannot share the drones. Can we rent a robot from someone else? Rent depends on you. You can rent, either you buy. It depends on you. Okay, depends on you. Okay, okay. So that's all from me. If any question, okay, anything, you just message us. We can able to answer uh, as soon as possible. We can. Okay. So I like to say congratulations and all the best for all the students. Okay, wherever you participate in the Techathon challenge. So we will see in the physical event. Okay. So that's all from me. Thank you for your patience and your time. Good night, everyone.